Good morning, everybody. Today is April 20th, and let me start from the beginning. Today is Monday. Everybody needs to say, today is Monday. So, I already said it, but it is April. The month is April. Everybody needs to say, it is April. The date is the 20th. Woohoo! It's almost May. And it is going to be partly sunny. And in the morning it'll be cool, but it'll be a high of 73. So we'll say the temperature is warm. Okay, we're going to dress our girly here. Bottoms. So, since it's going to be warmer later on, we can wear jeans for now. And for a top, just a t-shirt. She should be fine. Shoes. Always got to wear shoes. And I don't think we're going to need a jacket. There's not really a chance of rain. So, today's weather, Monday, April 20th, 2020. Partly sunny and warm. Make sure you log on and do today's assignments and watch the videos. See y'all later.